Jan Fremen has placed his cards down on the table for one final time, for one final bet on Cape Town City. Only one change to report from last weekend.
Masibulele kuRay, sibulele nakuvini igqiza lakhe. Into yokuqala eMagesi eza kuyibulela namhlanje imozulu enhle eKapa, ngakumbi kwixesha lobusika, kuba ke kudla ngokuvuthuza imimoya, ibe zimvula, ibe ingqele, kodwa namhlanje imini ivumile, into ethetha ukuba Elvis Chipezeze angalikhokelela iqela lakhe kwiziphumo ezincumisayo, ngakumbi ebuyile naye namhlanje.
Magesi will be kicking us off. We are live from Athlone. We've seen this tactic before. Teams kicking off deep into the territory of the opposition, almost rugby style, to gain territory. He's closed down there, his fortune. And a breakaway is on for Magesi. Luthuli, will he go by himself? He's held back, goes down in the box. All eyes on the referee, Ken Siritsi. Gordinho, Amato, Gordinho steps in now. Just doesn't have that touch. He's already shown his ball carrying abilities. Good header there. Chance here for Musa, goes for it, hits the side netting. Wanted to catch Chipezeze out.
Malanga Black Aces. Bathi kanisinikeni madoda, sifuna ukudlala kwi-PSL Premiership. Bola enhle kwakhona ye-Cape Town City, bayifaka phakathi la bhola, kodwa donga lokugqibela lenyuka phezulu. Bethe ke emadodeni le ibhola izawuyikora kick yokuqala. Yazi into abayenze ngayo, badlala ibhola ende ngoku. Ngifuna uZiba, Zibo ibeka kakuhle la bhola ngehloko, ibeka phansi. Cengo kwakhona yeke yahamba la bhola uFortune. Ayiceka iCape Town City, ibhola ehle, shot pasakhe Cape Town City. Kona kick abayifumanayo. Wow. Mncinci lo mntwana. Ebekhale ngaye uShafuru. Wathi mncinci ulimi inyaka isamvumela. Engathi unobungozi, unoburhalahume.
6 points apiece with the Richards Bay Stallions. Here goes Ziba. Don't be surprised if he tries his luck. How far can he go? Crosses the ball with his left foot. Oh, how about that from Musa? How's the delivery? Zajmovic lays it off. Chance here on the edge of the box. It's over. Ndlozi? No. Chirambadare. Towards the far post. Mokone is there. Clipped it across the face. I think it did already go out. Perhaps an offside here. Definitely. Definitely. The ball did go out of play. What lessons have been learnt since that game? Here go Magesi. Chance! Side netting. Spares their blushes. Minute winner at the Umhlatuze Sports Complex, and that was Luthuli.
Funeke athethe nendodana uSamuel Dafoe. Samuel Dafoe yellow card yakhe, ikhadi elimthubi lesibini alifumanayo kulena imini league. Uba ngaba ufumana nansi ibhola enhle kwakhona eMagesi. Nansi ibhola enhle eMagesi, wasebenza unozinti. Magesi yabuya ngakhona ngaphakathi eboxini, wasebenza kwakhona unozinti. Wasebenza unozinti we-Cape Town City, ifikile iMagesi FC. Ibhola yokuqala ibinyathelwe kakuhle. Iseliqanda amacala amabini, sigene kumzuzu wama-40 ngoku. Nansi ibhola enhle eMagesi ngaphakathi eboxini. Awekho ijezi esimhlophe, yafika ijezi emhlophe enye, kodwa betha. Yabethwa, oh, uthathe ixesha elide uVandala. iCape Town FC. uVandala behlabe kakuhle, ipase ibhola enhle, unceda iVandala. Ayinika uSifiso Luthuli esithi bethe mntanami, yiyo le ndigqibile indoda ekwimboleko edlala ekwincwadi ze-Orlando Pirates, wadlala ngomsebenzi uSifiso Luthuli. Iseliqala
In the running. Rhodes swap sides. Here's Tilile. He was a heroic defender, but now he's set up a goal. Cape Town City have scored, and it's Musa again. Talk about a big playoff player. Cape Town, but this is what they were yearning for. Excellent ball into the box by Telile from that left-hand flank. Chipezeze didn't know whether to go or whether to stay, and in the end he was in no man's land. The Magesi defense at 6s and 7s knocks it down. Ziba is going to drill it, pleading for a handball there as well. Second time in this first half that Cape Town City felt they deserved a penalty kick. Let's have another look-see. It's him again. It's done to the log table. Cape Town City have been bumped into second, but Magesi can change that. Another shot on target, but another comfortable save for that man on your screen.
eyidlala leli ibhola iMagesi FC ngaphakathi ebhokisini waphuma uNozinti yebeka emnatheni zalilinganiswa izinto. Ncedi Fondala ngokuqala isiqingatha sesibini ke ntoni na bashiwe ngamendu uGordinho ushiywe ngamendu ngumncedi Fondala wathi ugqiba waphuma noNozinto ngekabi namava wetheke ncenga epuntu phansi wafika umncedi Fondala iengile imvalile kule ibhola kodwa wakwazi wayibeka ngaphakathi emnatheni asebenzisa inqina lakhe lasekhohlo akufana nansi ibhola yabe enhle beyicamba beyicenga beyihlaba kwicabanga lasekunene yaphakanyiswa yafaka ngaphakathi ebhokisini labhola Musa usompembo wamoshowana ole Ndeka Rhodes bethwa ngenhloko lobhola iMagesi ingozi ayikaphumi sebenzisa inhloko abadlali yayitrepa lobhola iCape Town City ibeka phansi yabetha ecangkwepali beka phambili yangoshona washiya ubheke ebholeni fika kuqala indoda eMagesi Ditebogo Mofokeng atagqiba pasi ibhola enhle uMofokeng yayicenga leni ibhola iMagesi FC yayiskwarisha.
Riding on the line for him as well. Coming back to South Africa, to Cape Town City, would have wanted to return to top flight football, but here is Telile again. He was Amato nearly brought the house down. Rhodes, the through ball is on. Chueza, he cuts it back. Heaven Silici now for Cape Town City. What a save. Chip is
balahla ngayo yonke into abanayo kumdlalo ogqibela naba ngoku bedlala kwimini league. Cape Town City ibhola enhle kwamadoda amabili ngaphakathi ebhokisini. Musa straight kuNozinti uChipetsetse ude madoda emathathu besizana la bhola Mtshali buya nebhola ayihlaba le ibhola ayibuyisela kuVandala wayiphakamisa umncedi le ibhola ifuna inhloko enhle kodwa yaphinde yachithwa le ibhola kwakhona iCape Town City wasebenza uFortune fana seNamibia aPrince ayibloka kuye le ibhola yavula ibali iCape Town City yavula ibali iCape Town City short passes kwakhona yabetha iCape Town City phezu kwecrossbar washiywa kabuhlungu ngumncedi Vandala ngamendu bhola enhle eMagesi kanobungozi ke le ibhola kodwa makhona amadoda udonga lokugqibela Cape Town City ibhola enhle yeMagesi nali ithuba leMagesi kwakhona bayichwetha lo bhola badlala ngomsebenzi iMagesi yabetheka esitetheni zamadoda wayichitha lo bhola uLawrence Coutinho. Amato upasa ogqiba wayibiza Amato wayilopha wayiphakamisa le ibhola yayilahla ngaphandle kwebala Manqaku wasamile ebhodi isengu-1-1 encumile eMilford ethi izinto zikaphuncuki izaba yifinali yefinali ke ngomgqibelo beyazi uba abanamadoda amade abafana bayo iCape Town City. Nansi ibhola iqenqeleka yodwa. Cape Town City wayixhipha ibhola uElvis Chipazeze kungekho umuntu phambi kwakhe nanku ekhala. Kigen Dolly uthetha naye. uElvis Chipazeze uthi ayikhona uhambisa ume iCape Town City kwi-mini league. Kumdlalo wayo ugqibeli udlalela ekhaya. Nansi ibhola ehle Cape Town City ngoku ayicenga bayipasa le ibhola. Bayibetha phakathi kwamadoda. Nalithuba yabetheke emadodeni naleli ibhola eCape Town City ngaphakathi basebhoksini. Ayichitha udonga lokugqibela lomagesi laxhathisa. Imisuzwana eseleyo. Yabuya ibhola eCape Town City ngentloko kwakhona. Nalithuba leCape Town City. Yabetha kwi-crossbar. Balala phantsi abadlali beCape Town City bathi hayi khona. Bathi izinto zangamabomu ezi. Bathi izinto zangamabomu, ubhola betheka kwi-crossbar, uSopepe wathi kwanele.